If you know me, then you'll know that I'm a fan of taking digital notes, whether that be on my Galaxy Note 10 or my iPad Pro. I just love being able to sort through my thoughts by seeing them being written down on digital paper. That's why I was pretty excited to preview Motorola's new budget offering, the Moto G Stylus. Priced at just under $300, it's the perfect device for pen aficionados not wanting to break the bank. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH. You're watching GadgetMatch. This is our Moto G Stylus hands-on. Here in the US, when it comes to budget smartphones, there's no other name more recognizable than Motorola. This year, the company has two mid-range phones on offer, the G Stylus and the G Power, launching this week. Today, we'll take a closer look at the former. As its name implies, it's a phone bundled with a pen, the first actually from Motorola. And while we're at it, it's possibly the only stylus-toting smartphone in this price point. The stylus is tucked away here on the bottom right-hand side of the phone. You don't push to eject. Instead, you kind of have to use your fingernail to pull it out from underneath the phone. If the display is off, it automatically launches Moto Notes, the built-in note-taking app. If the phone is on, you get this customizable toolbar instead, which lets you launch an app of your choice like Google Keep. During my limited time with the phone, I really wasn't able to sketch or make some artistic renderings, not that I can actually do that, but in terms of note-taking, the latency is good enough for it to feel natural, like you're actually writing on paper. Motorola is also working on improving the camera performance of its smartphones. The G Stylus has three, a 48 megapixel main camera and a macro vision camera with 5 times zoom. The third camera is a 117-degree ultra-wide-angle action camera dedicated to video capture. The GoPro-esque ultra-wide video camera is the same one we saw on the Moto 1 Action from last year. Now, one very practical use of this action camera is being able to shoot horizontal videos while holding the phone vertically, which is smart because it's easier to shoot video this way. Here are some photo samples shot using the G Stylus. During my trip to Motorola HQ in Chicago, I was able to speak with company reps who tell me this lineup of smartphones is intended to address 3 major user pain points. The first has to do with camera, which we've already discussed earlier. The other was long battery life, and lastly, phones needing to be great multimedia devices. Motorola is promising 2 days of battery life on the G Stylus. It's got a 4,000 mAh battery, not as much as what's on the G Power. To address the need to deliver premium entertainment experiences, the phone has a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display with an 88% screen-to-body ratio. The notch on the phone is on the top left. It's also got stereo speakers, one built into the earpiece and the other downward-facing. Both are tuned by Dolby. Definitely good enough to watch YouTube or Netflix in bed. As with every Moto phone, the version of Google on the G Stylus is close to stock Android. It runs off Android 10 with some Moto customizations built in. Things like being able to flick your phone to launch the camera. New this year is a feature called Game Mode, which lets you turn off notifications when you're playing your favorite game, because who wants to be disturbed when they're about to win a head-to-head battle on PUBG. The Moto G Stylus is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 665 processor and comes with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It comes in only one color, Mystic Indigo, and will retail for just under $300 US when it goes on sale later this spring. And that was a quick hands-on with the new Moto G Stylus. I'm curious, if you were to pick between two phones, would you pick the phone with the stylus? Is it something that you would actually use? Let me know in the comments section below. It's going to get really crazy on this channel with the S20 launch coming right up, and then Mobile World Congress, where we have many phones being announced and lots of videos coming your way. So to make sure you don't miss any of that, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post a new video. Follow us on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.